Aisha. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I got into this very quick, affordable beat. It's full face. It's not super glam, so it's perfect for every day. I did use quite a few different products, but I think it's because I really wanted to try and include as many affordable things that I love into a single video at one time, and also to give you a little bit of variety so you don't have to use everything all at once. I'll try and add alternatives as well, stuff that's a little bit cheaper, but all these products I love myself. I get use out of. I opt for them over different higher end brands. I believe you could do high or low, and I think it's perfect if you are new to makeup, if you are somebody who likes to spend like a modest amount and not so much, because I know, you know, with inflation everything's a lot higher. So these are very strong alternatives to feeling like you need to break the bank. And yeah, so I plan to include different like little stuff like this more often. I love affordable makeup. That's how I personally got started with my love for makeup, especially as a teen and picking up things on my own. And then as a college student who was looking to save some money, and then now even as an adult, certain brands I think I'll just always love, just because I can trust their quality. And so anyways, I say all that to say I hope you enjoy the non-talking makeup walkthrough of this affordable look. So let me know what you think in the comment down below, or comment down below what you think about the look. If there's certain other looks that you like for me to do, things that you're curious about, engage with me in the comments. Let's get things. So I have finished about 90%, sorry, I finished about 90% of the face. The goal was for it to be something that's like a full face every day using affordable products. All of these I purchased at Target or Ulta. Most can be found at Walmart, and if you can't find them in the store, I believe Walmart.com carries the scent, or sorry, Walmart.com trends to sell a lot more than in stores does. It's only certain locations have different products, but for your best bet, I'd say Target and Ulta between those two. I didn't use any products that's over $20. Everything's under $20. And editing me should remember to include alternatives as well. So to finish the face, I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara and lip. Yeah, I think mascara and lip is all. Oh, and then set my face quickly. I have 3 in front of me. So I have the mini, this is the travel size of the Morphe Mini Continuous Setting Mist. Love this stuff. I think it's great. They have went up a little bit in price, and I was hearing that Morphe now is mainly like only online. I could be wrong. Every time I go into Ulta, it's still there. So yeah, anyway, this was in Ulta. So Morphe does about $14 for the mini. Or is it $14 for the full size? Don't quote me. I'll leave the link in the description box. And then there's Revolution makeup. This one is their Super Fake Super Hold Misting Spray. And this one is really good for set proof or sweat proof makeup. So I like this one to double up, like some of the days where I'm wearing multiple sprays and I know I'm gonna be out for a while. I like to use that as an option. And then there is the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. I love this stuff. I think it works really well. It's only $10 for a bottle. I think the Revolution was 10 as well, maybe 12. I shouldn't say prices because I don't want to mess up if it's not that. So I'll include links below. So today, because I'm gonna be in the house, I think I'm gonna just stick with the e.l.f. and keep it simple. So last but not least is going to be the mascara. This one is by Essence. It's their Lash Princess. It's my favorite go-to for drugstore mascara option. There's plenty of others, but this is just my guarantee fave. I don't get a lot of smudges from it. It lasts the way I want it to, and it holds my lashes really well. So I'm going to go in just with the bottom lash with that because I have lash extensions on the top row.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark blue, go, go. I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you never gotta say shit, and I